Yes, back by popular demand, Jamaican Japan. Wagwan, remember that? Yeah. So, Wagwan, which means what's up. And let me say, remember that means do you remember that? So today's lesson is questions, Jamaican questions. I want us to do two basic questions because I know the Japanese for it. I know the Japanese feels. So here we go. So we're going to go slowly this time. So what, nani, and then Jamaican is what. So 1, 2, what. Sweet. All right. So somebody says something you don't get or understand, you can just say what. Ah, yeah, good. All right. Or sometimes we use where. So just wait 1 second. I'm going to show you later in the video. And the other question is where. Doko. Where. So where. Where. Jamaicans like to ask, definitely one of the favorite questions, where you there? Where you there? Which means where are you? Alright, so where you there? Good. So there. You there. Where you there? Sweet. Alright. Easily done. And then we also like to ask, what you mean? What do you mean? So what you mean? What you mean? Yeah. Or what you mean? So you see, what and where can kind of be so what or where can be used interchangeably for what? Or what you do? What are you doing? Nani shiteru? Nani shiteru? Okay. What are you doing? What you do? What you do? Andre, where the hell you do? That's basically it for today's lesson. So that's a Patois to Nihongo series and Nihongo to Patois series. So that's Jamaican in Japan. Patois and Nihongo. Patois to Nihongo. Patois to Nihongo. So next time, Jane, see you later in the lights. Subscribe now. What you do? Here. To steal the battery power from your friend's smartphone. What?